All right, guys, just pulled up to this job. About to go talk to the customer. Gonna be using my 8 gallon per minute machine today. Have my tank halfway filled up, so connect those hoses to the water source and feed the tank as I'm cleaning. Here's the driveway that I'm cleaning. I'm going to clean all their windows, and then the sidewalk here. This little patio area down through there, that little patio area, all the windows around the house. And then there's a few windows back here. So not a very big job. It's a pretty high ticket job because I don't like cleaning windows, but should be in and out of here in about 2.5 to 3 hours. So, all right, guys, I'll see y'all in a second when I pre-treat. All right, guys, I'm pre-treating this driveway here. Got my homemade soft wash gun here. Got about a 2% mix made, not too hot. Just enough just to break up that organic growth. As I'm doing this, I'm letting my buffer tank fill up a little bit. I don't use a whole lot of soap pre-treating concrete, just because it's a flat surface. Your SH is gonna stay there pretty good. Saturate it pretty well. All right, let that sit. A lot of plants. I'm gonna make sure I do a good job of watering them when I finish pre-treating. Does anybody else love the smell of SH? I do. Maybe weird, but I enjoy it. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull this hose out, get everything pre-treated, and then I'll see y'all when I start surface cleaning with the 8 gallon per minute machine and the big guy surface cleaner. All right, guys, so now I'm going behind and just watering these plants down just to make sure. Go ahead and water the grass. You know, just to make sure that the SH doesn't kill anything. It's just good practice, guys, to be honest. Last thing you want to do is give a customer a clean driveway, but then kill some grass. So, all right. Put this back in the buffer tank, and I'm gonna get the machine cranked up and ready to go. with all the flat work. Now I'm moving on to the windows. Got my 20-foot ladder up there. I actually made my window wash mix in this this reservoir here. All it is glass cleaner and some Dawn dish soap and some white vinegar. I'm gonna spray it up there from the ground, then go up there with my squeegee and yeah, clean the windows. So I'm gonna use that process around the whole house instead of having to use a squirt bottle to try to apply the chemical to the windows. I'm gonna use my 12-volt system. So we'll see how that goes. Let me see. Oh, there it is. So here's the squeegee I'm using. I went with the smaller one because there's some smaller windows here. So, all right guys, I'll show you my process. Actually, I'll go ahead and do it now. Let me hook up my, so I just flushed out my my chem line with fresh water to get all the SH out of there. You don't want SH on windows. Hook this bad boy up. Stick this in your back pocket. I'm gonna use my J-rod and I'm gonna hit that window up there. And this isn't like soft washing. Right when you spray up there, you need to get up there and squeegee it, because if it dries on there, it's harder to clean. So let me get up here and show you guys. Glad I have a 20-foot ladder. Anything smaller would have not been good. So, all right, let me show you how I do this. I go from side to side like that, and then just knock it off. Knock it off. I have a rag down there I need to go get. That white vinegar does most of the cleaning. So, and obviously you want to clean windows after you've power washed around the house. You don't want to clean windows first, because then you'll just get the windows dirty again. So I always like to go over it twice, just to make sure all the water's off. You don't want to get down and see streaks. So, all right, that's it. One window down. Everything packed up, hoses rolled up, customer is happy, windows look good, all the concrete looks good. Easy $400 in 2 hours. All right guys, I am done for the week. It's now the weekend, and I'll see you guys next week. All right guys, so I was gonna tell you guys real quick before I got home what went well, what did not go well on that job. What went well was the 8-gallon per minute machine. I mean, I did that whole driveway, sidewalk, and those patios in about probably 40 minutes. The windows took a little longer than expected. They were pretty dirty, so I had to go over them a few times, but overall it went well. What went bad was my homemade soft wash gun broke on me. Luckily I have lots of backups, but I had to fix that. Not a big deal. And then I cleaned that back patio, and on that back patio there's some windows that were pretty tall, but it was wet tile back there from where I cleaned it, and my ladder kept slipping every time I'd get on it. and it just wouldn't stay in place. So I even let it dry a little bit and tried it again. So I didn't clean the top windows as good as I could have. So I put my squeegee on the end of my telescoping wand and got up there, and it worked, but you know, it was kind of inconvenient. But overall, it's a good job, easy job. Went and got me a nice Mexican meal after, treat myself. Next week I have a few small residential jobs, and then I have a soft wash for this big commercial building downtown Tulsa. So the guy who I did a roof wash for recently, I saved him a bunch of money because a roofer came out and said his roof was completely ruined because of the black streaks. He needed a new roof, and I went out there and pretty much cleaned it all up for him, and he was just blown away. And now he's telling all of his friends about me, and he has this nice government office he works at, and he wants me to come out there and clean it. So I'll be doing that on Thursday. I'll probably be out there all day. It's a metal building, so I'm probably going to shoot a 2% mix up there, and I'll probably use my 8 gallon per minute machine and downstream, and see how that goes. So I should be able to shoot pretty high with an 8 gallon per minute machine. And my J-Rod, I may order a shooter tip. I haven't ordered one of those yet, but just to save me from having to get on a ladder. I mean, it's 25 feet tall, so I should be able to hit it with a J-Rod or an X-Jet, but we'll see. I always bring a ladder just in case. But anyways, guys, I'll see y'all next week. And in the description, there's that cheat sheet I was telling y'all about, and also the local Domination 0 to 7K online course with Justin and Aaron. Pretty much all these jobs I'm getting is from the Facebook ads. So I highly recommend y'all going through the course, learning how to run ads, and your return on investment is just insane. I'm blown away about how much money I've made off these Facebook ads, and I'm pretty close to getting the website feature going, the SEO, and Aaron will teach you a lot about that. And just going through all their equipment and the chemical ratios and stuff is just eye-opening. So anyways, guys, go check out that course or check out my cheat sheet. Everything you need to know to start a business. All right, see y'all next week.